Quick little Aprilia update. Oh, nice and clean. Has an exhaust can on it, and at least somewhat of a hanger. Made a little hanger out of barbed wire just to hold it up for now. But it does at least have springs holding everything up. But we have clutch, we have front brake, and we have rear brake. If I had a battery that was worth a shit, because these Duracells are garbage, it actually fires up and runs. Oh, and another quick little update. These things are a thing now. My little logo on a keychain, and I'm thinking I'm gonna stick those as part of the if you join the special club thing through the YouTube, you get, this is part of it, you get these, and I'm gonna make, I don't know, some coasters or something. I don't know what would be good to go with a little keychain is a, you know, freebie grab bag for a paid membership, you know, starter package, including shipping and everything, you know, as a consideration as part of the price anyway. But yeah, progress. I'm excited. Before I did do the brakes, I did actually kind of, you know, check out, make sure the clutch worked by putting it gear and release the clutch a little bit and feel it grabbing. And yeah, it all works like it's supposed to. Clutch feels good. Clutch pack felt good. Hydraulics felt good. So yeah, as soon as I can get a battery to hold a charge or pick up a new one or something, because my Bandit battery is too tall, it won't fit with the seat on. I can't ride with it. Yeah, I'll get to actually ride it for the first time. No shit, 2 years. Finally get to ride it. This is the longest build. This bike has taken the longest of any bike I've ever built. But it's been fun. It's been a learning experience. Still got quite a bit more I need to do to it to make it all safe and stuff. But yeah, quick little update. Little Aprilia rsv1000 mille update. I got some stuff for it. Look at there. It's actually got an exhaust. It's got an exhaust. So we're about to fire it up and listen to it with a can for the first time. Take it a second there. Alright, we're going to try this again. I had some technical difficulties yesterday, so it is tomorrow. And I don't have long because about the same thing that happened yesterday is about to happen again. My phone freaking died. I had multiple battery issues. My phone battery died, and then this battery, I just took it off the charger. It needed a little bit of a bump, but here we go. Eeh. Give it a little bit of... That's what she sounds like with a can on her. I can actually kind of hear the motor a little bit better.
Phone picks up stuff my ears can't, so I just listen all around here best we can. Listen for any exhaust leaks or valve train ticks or something up here, but it just may be normal.
I'm not real familiar with this engine yet, so. Yeah, well, there it goes. And I did bleed the clutch out, so I do have clutch. Yeehaw. And since we have clutch, I don't have any brakes yet, either front or back. I'm having issues with my master cylinder catching fluid. It's not wanting to move any fluid, so hopefully I don't have to tear it apart. And I haven't started messing with the rears yet, but possibly ride it around a little bit in the field some, and at least be able to say I've ridden it. Yeah.